Hello once again, welcome back to my channel. This is Moses, and today's episode we're going to be looking at something amazing I've been working on. This is one of my SaaS I've been working on for the past month. It's called YoReview, as you can see. It is built with Next.Js, having MongoDB connected to a database, having some Auth0 and more, as we're going to be seeing now. It is called YoReview. Basically what it does, collect, manage and embed high quality reviews as code. So I got inspiration from Code with Josh, where he tried to build something like this, and I had already had it in mind, so I had to play with it and see what I can really add on. So I decided to make up something like this. It's already on Product Hunt. I've put it up, so you can go check it out. I'm going to leave the link into the description, where I've talked more about it. So when we go to Product Hunt, when you click onto this link, find us, you'll get here, where basically we're having our page up. It's definitely your go-to user feedback platform. So I went ahead and wrote basically brief what it does before we dive into it. So YoReview simplifies the process of collecting and showcasing product reviews, perfect for startups and established brands alike. So our tool offers seamless API integration and customizable components for React Next.Js applications. Yes, we're going to see how to do that as well. So I've put a couple of pictures which can be used to guide you through how all this works, and as well as a couple of an interactive video which you can click on, and it will help you guide you through the process or how the process works. Simply click, you try to go play here and there, see how things work. Anyway, so I went ahead and gave a more detailed description. So I was trying to say I'm excited to unveil YoReview, your go-to platform for effortlessly collecting and showcasing user feedback and product designs and all that. So why you love it? Okay, I have a couple of reasons why you love it and what makes your review stand out basically. So if you try to read the last part, I'm trying to say visit your review sign up today and start transforming user feedback into your product superpower plus. We are offering the source code for just €700, perfect for those who want to customize it further. So let's make feedback collection simple and effective. So just in case you want the source code, setting it out, this is a big SaaS which we can customize more further. Or if at all you have any suggestions for the project, you can hit me up, and I'll really be loving to work onto your ideas as well. So going back to the application, so we have this is our landing page, inspire customers to leave authentic feedback. We have a nice UI telling us more about what it does, more detailed information as well. For this is basically for search engine optimization. So we have this show, we have a picture for to guide you through how the layout will be looking, the dashboard, and some frequently asked questions as well for SEO. So, and as well as the last call to action, which is really looking beautiful and smooth, and a nice footer. So I have a couple of also other nice features, like we have the a dark mode. It is beautiful. More in dark mode, you can try it out as well in dark mode and see how it really looks like. Now added this page called the discover. When you click on it, it will open up something like this. I'm trying to make this is in active development, where we're going to be listing all the um, projects that if you're creating and you choose your project to be public, it will be viewed here, and it will be active here, so you can see it, and the other people can see it, and as well as review it. So this will be definitely the number of reviews. I got inspiration from the product hunt itself. So this will be the number of people who have reviewed the project yet, and as well more this detailed description and some tags of the project itself. So yeah, I'll also definitely use this side for the marketing. It's also well looking good in dark and light mode as well. So to kickstart with your review, what simply you have to do, you can just simply click here, start for free today. So if you're not logged in, you'll come to this part for the login. And once you come here and maybe you say you don't have an account, you can simply click on the sign up, which will bring you still a nice form where you can simply enter all your details and you kickstart. Okay, so we have in or sign up with credentials and as well as Auth0. You can simply use your Google to sign up or to create an account. But since I have an account already connected, I'll just simply do the sign in. I'll click on the sign in and it will bring me here, and I'll fill in uh, my details. So after that, then I'll enter my password. So after entering my password, and I click sign in with credentials, so yeah, great. So check your credentials. So we have all the errors being captured. Well, maybe if I told you miss out something, we can still we can still get you covered. So if I try and gain and see, all right. Okay. Oops, sorry, I had put in a wrong email. So okay, that's the email I used. Okay, so the login now is successful. Yeah, and now once you come in, you will simply start on a page like this. So by default, we have on this one we have in one project already connected, which is short web. So it looks like this. So by default, once you select the pay, once everything is good and you log in, you find your project. If you don't have a project, you'll be taken to a different screen to create a new project. But now I already have one project called Shortweb. Just simply for demo. If at all you want to know more about Shortweb, you can simply go to just go shortweb.mozspace.com. So this is also as well as the small SaaS I built, worked on time back. I was teaching some students Next.Js, basically having some nice words you can use on your websites. But back to the point, when you come back here, you can so we'll start onto this page for the forms, whereby this is the form customization. Like you see, write your reviews. So you can simply customize this to whatsoever want. Or after anything you want to change, then just click save. You go to the review screen. This is what your users will be seeing. They will be seeing something like rate your experience. So they'll put in, they'll answer these questions. You can still add in more questions like what's the best and all that, such that they can describe it down here. So you can go to the next and see as well. So here the user makes it personal, where they will enter their names, the image. If at all you allow the user to share their image, all you all you their job title as well, so you can still do something like this. So previously, so this is now the screen. So we have this is the part for editing all that. So now we have the part for sharing the form, where if you click here on share form, you can simply get this link, blah blah blah. This is now the link. If you try to copy it and you paste it into a new tab, you're going to see something like this. This is what your users now will be seeing. So if you share the link with the user to give you back a review, they will simply see something like this. The image you put and the description you gave first, so they'll see write a review, so they'll see the review like being written here, whereby they can give in their name, Daniel. Oh, we can call this YouTube test 001. Okay, so the role can put software developer, and your review, so I can say I really love this. uh, it's a nice project. So once you do that, you can just simply, they can now just simply submit. Review submitted, and they will get to this screen. Thank you for your staff, and then it will route them back to the home page. Now, since for us we logged in, we can simply go back to our dashboard. Okay, so if I click the dashboard, you see now this is really beautiful. We still have our short web selected as the current project, so that's really beautiful. So after there, we can come to, from this, the this share link, okay, which is great. So we're also having this import review. I'm working on it. It's a new feature someone requested, and this one someone suggested this. The people who suggested these features, and I'm really working on them to see that this is more fun. So we have this manage part, where we click to see now all reviews. You're currently seeing 4 reviews. So you see now we have our latest from the YouTube tester we've made. This is YouTube tester. He gave us he gave us 1 rating. Okay, so now what we can do with this, we can to show you case what we can do. By default, each review status is pending, meaning the user has to approve it to be maybe shown where they want to where they want it to be shown. So when I click here, I can simply change this by clicking on the approved, and it will start updating. So now you see having something like approved, or still I can click on it and turn it back to the pending state, and as well as I can click here and try to delete. I can delete anything from this, so I've deleted one. So I can also go ahead and delete this, or I can delete all that. So we have a nice features. I can click even to see its detail, the way it could look, uh, maybe when someone is trying to work on it. So I can click here to see the details. So this would look like this, blah 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 blah, and all that. So still I can filter, I can make filters by 2 stars, I can make filters by 3, I can make filters by 4, I can make filters by 5, I can make though there's still some issues with the filtering which I'm working on. So this will be working. And also filter by date. I can also filter by date as well. I can also filter by the status, approved, to see this one is really working, approved or pending, to see all. Okay, so I can then after clear all the filters as well. So I have this part now. The most interesting part is the API integration. If I click on the API integration, so basically what does it mean? It is, for instance, if you want to get all these reviews into your application running, so we give you some API key that you can use. So by default, it's looking like this. So this is how it will look. It has some numbers. You can just click here to see. This is SK Live, blah 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 blah. And all this is what you're gonna be using. It's the same thing here. It's what you will be using. So I created this 3 weeks ago. So still you can create yourself a new one. Okay, so if you click onto the create API key, you get this, and you simply do the create. Takes a few minutes and it's created. So just a little refreshing of the app to confirm that everything is good. See, 7 seconds ago, we've created something like this as well. So you can only have two. That's why if they are already two, we disable these buttons for creating. Maybe otherwise you can simply delete one to change anything you would like. So that's how it works. You simply now go ahead and copy this and copy this. If you copy it, we tell you mark that it is copied. You can simply now place it into your application. Coming here to the endpoint now, we have this. It's the get all reviews. So simply what you can do, you have to have your base URL, and inside your env, this is the next public base URL, which will be something that you will get automatically. So maybe your app is blah blah blah, maybe your base URL is localhost blah blah, stuff like that. That is it. So you simply do that. Otherwise, then we do const response. We use the normal fetch, not the Axios. We just do this to get your reviews API and then reviews. Now here we place in your review API key, the one you've just simply copied here. It should be in your MV and named like this exactly. So you get it, you place it there, then it will return you all these. It will give you back the response, which will look like this. It will have success true, message reviews fetched by, the data and all the data that has been, fetched directly. So that's the endpoints part. Now we have the components. This components now is where basically maybe you want to use one of our components into your application. You can simply click on it. You see how it looks, and you can get this usage information. You just click this, you copy this, and you paste into your application. Then you're good to go. As well as all these, as well as anyway anyhow you want, you are still good to go. Can change it to dark mode if you're dark mode lover. You go back to the endpoint, everything is still looking good. API key, oh my god, everything is really looking beautiful. The reviews, everything is still looking great. Also, you can share just simply from here. You can copy the link and you share to your to your to your people, to your community which is going to be using it. You can simply do that and share. So you can still come here and share from here. Look at this feeling, it's really beautiful. You can simply copy from here as well, or again you can go back to your forms and make some more edits. So we have in here, you can click here my account still and make some of them are not yet functioning, but the only thing which is functioning is the logout, I guess. Yeah. So when you're done with everything, you can simply click the logout and you will be out of the application, prompted to log in back again or do anything again. So it really has a nice feeling. So you guys, if at all you like it, my WhatsApp is in the bio. You can hit me up and we talk about more customizations, or if you really want to get the source code at more discounted price, not the one you see here, the 700 euro. Still, you can hit me. My WhatsApp is in the bio. Simply come to my YouTube. Okay, so you go to youtube.com. Let's see how you can get to me, and after there you just simply go to my bio and get what you want, get the contact. I don't know why my internet is really kind of misbehaving. With oh with Moses. Okay, I'll simply just accept all these. Okay, could you bear with me this a minute? Okay, so I've not been using this machine. This is a new machine, so that's why I hadn't even tried doing any YouTube before. So if you do code with Moses, you'll see this channel. You just hit here, then go here, and then there's this WhatsApp currently I'm using, so you simply can check me out there, hit me more, and we see how to further customize this. Otherwise, thank you for watching the video with me, and really I'm grateful